Kids should not perform this experiment without adult supervision.
Let's make beautiful colored raindrops within the house. Take a small bowl. Now fill the bowl with oil. Now add few drops of different food coloring into the oil. Repeat it. Repeat it. Repeat it. Now stir the mixture well. Place this bowl to one side. Now take a jar filled with water. Pour the mixture of oil and food colors into the jar. Wait and see the magic begins with each drops falling down. Wow! It's raining in color. More Liz, oil and water do not mix no matter how much they are stirred. And oil being heavier than water, they settle down at the bottom drop by drop.